Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to export and import Trusted Root certificates in Windows 11. Trusted Root certificates are used to verify the identity of websites, applications, and devices. You may need to back them up, transfer them to another PC, or install a certificate provided by your organization. Let's get started. First, right-click the Start button, select Run. Type certlm.msc, then press Enter. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. The Certificate Manager for the local computer will open. On the left side, expand Trusted Root Certification Authorities, then click Certificate. You will now see all the Trusted Root certificates installed on your computer. To export a Trusted Root certificate, select the certificate you want to export. Right-click the certificate, select All Tasks, then click Export. The Certificate Export wizard will open. Click Next. Choose the default export format, DR encoded binary, or select another format if required. Click Next. Click Browse, choose a location to save the certificate, enter a file name, and click Save. Click Next, then click Finish. You'll see the message the export was successful. Now let's import the certificate. In the same Certificate Manager window, right-click Trusted Root Certification, Authorities, or Certificate. Select All Tasks, then click Import. The Certificate Import wizard will appear. Click Next. Click Browse, select the .cr certificate file, then click Open. Click Next. Choose Place all certificates in the following store. Make sure Trusted Root Certification Authorities is selected. If it's not, click Browse and select it. Click Next, then click Finish. Windows will display a security warning because you're adding a Trusted Root certificate. Only click Yes if you trust the certificate and know its source. After a few seconds, you'll see the import was successful. The Trusted Root certificate is now installed and can be used by Windows and supported applications. That's how you can export and import Trusted Root certificates in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.